The KTM 200 Duke is not just another motorcycle. It's an icon, a statement of style and power combined. Designed for those who live life on the edge, it's crafted to deliver unmatched performance with a touch of sophistication. From the moment you start the engine, you feel the rush of adrenaline, the excitement of speed, and the thrill of adventure. Every inch of the KTM 200 Duke reflects aggressive design and precision engineering. Its muscular tank and sharp lines showcase its sporty DNA. The bold orange and black color scheme is unmistakable, a nod to KTM's racing heritage. It's a bike that stands out, demanding attention wherever it goes. At the heart of the KTM 200 Duke lies a powerful 200cc, liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine. It's built to deliver exceptional power and torque, making every ride a thrilling experience. Whether you're accelerating from a standstill or overtaking on the highway, the KTM 200 Duke responds instantly, giving you total control over speed and performance. But speed is nothing without stability. The KTM 200 Duke features a lightweight trellis frame that provides incredible agility and balance. It's designed for precision handling, allowing you to maneuver through tight city streets or carve through winding mountain roads with confidence. The low center of gravity and responsive chassis make every corner an opportunity to push the limits. Advanced suspension technology ensures that the KTM 200 Duke delivers a smooth and comfortable ride. The upside-down front forks and rear mono shock absorber are finely tuned to handle any terrain. From bumpy city roads to open highways, the KTM 200 Duke adapts effortlessly, giving you the freedom to explore without compromise. Stopping power is crucial, especially at high speeds. That's why the KTM 200 Duke is equipped with high-performance disc brakes and ABS technology. This ensures precise and controlled braking, even on wet or slippery surfaces. Safety is always a priority, allowing you to ride with confidence and peace of mind. Comfort is key, and the KTM 200 Duke excels in rider ergonomics. Its upright seating position and well-padded seat reduce fatigue, making long rides more enjoyable. The wide handlebars offer excellent control and stability, while the strategically placed footpegs provide a comfortable yet sporty riding stance. It's a design that balances comfort and performance perfectly. Innovation is a hallmark of KTM, and the 200 Duke is no exception. The fully digital instrument cluster provides all the information you need at a glance, from speed and RPM to fuel level and gear position. It's designed to keep you informed and connected, enhancing the overall riding experience. With a bright, easy-to-read display, you stay focused on the road ahead. The KTM 200 Duke is more than just a machine, it's a lifestyle. It's about breaking free from the ordinary, exploring new horizons, and experiencing the thrill of speed. It's a bike that resonates with the spirit of adventure and freedom. It's for those who dare to dream, who live life with passion and purpose. Fuel efficiency meets performance with the KTM 200 Duke. Its advanced fuel injection system ensures optimal power delivery while maintaining impressive mileage. It's perfect for city commuting as well as long rides on the highway. The balance of power and economy makes it an ideal companion for every journey. Durability and reliability are built into the KTM 200 Duke. Its robust construction and high-quality components ensure that it withstands the test of time and terrain. Whether you're navigating urban streets or exploring off-road trails, the KTM 200 Duke is ready for the challenge. It's built to perform, no matter where the road takes you. The sound of the KTM 200 Duke is unmistakable. Its throaty exhaust note is a symphony of power and excitement. It's the roar of freedom, the sound of adventure, and the voice of performance. It's a sound that ignites passion and inspires confidence. It's a reminder that you're riding a legend. Owning a KTM 200 Duke is more than just owning a motorcycle. It's about joining a community of passionate riders who share a love for adventure and performance. It's about belonging to a global family united by a common spirit of exploration. It's about camaraderie, experiences, and memories that last a lifetime. The KTM 200 Duke isn't just a bike, it's an extension of your personality. It's a canvas for self-expression and individuality. With a range of customization options, you can make it truly yours. From performance upgrades to aesthetic enhancements, the possibilities are endless. It's about creating a machine that reflects who you are. The KTM 200 Duke is designed for every rider, from beginners to seasoned enthusiasts. Its approachable power delivery and intuitive handling make it easy to ride, while its high-performance capabilities keep experienced riders engaged. It's a bike that grows with you, matching your skills and ambitions every step of the way. Adventure is at the core of the KTM 200 Duke experience. It's about the thrill of acceleration, the excitement of speed, and the freedom of the open road. It's about exploring the unknown, breaking boundaries, and living life without limits. It's about the journey, the destination, and everything in between. Every ride on the KTM 200 Duke is an adventure waiting to happen. It's about the roads you conquer, the places you discover, and the memories you create. It's about the freedom to go anywhere and the power to do anything. It's about living life on your own terms. The KTM 200 Duke is a testament to KTM's legacy of performance and innovation. It embodies the spirit of racing, the thrill of speed, and the joy of riding. It's a masterpiece of engineering, a work of art on two wheels. It's a symbol of power, precision, and passion. In a world full of ordinary, the KTM 200 Duke stands out as extraordinary. It's for those who refuse to settle, who challenge the status quo, and who live life boldly. It's for the dreamers, the explorers, and the rebels. It's for those who believe in living life with no compromises. The KTM 200 Duke is more than just a motorcycle, it's an experience. It's about feeling the wind in your face, the rush of acceleration, and the pulse of the engine. It's about the joy of riding, the thrill of speed, and the freedom to explore. So, are you ready to experience the legend? Are you ready to feel the power, the speed, and the thrill of riding? Are you ready to conquer the road with the KTM 200 Duke? Because once you do, nothing else will ever compare.